Sibusiso Pavarotti Shongwe Xulu ziyaduma manje, whichever name you want to call it, either or. Kodwa engikwazi ukuthi khona umpu ophumile uma Mama kaKwaito, she is so devastated because she does not understand what is going on. Who are you even talking about? Kanti yena umlisa ucabanga ukuthi umama kaKwaito uMaNtuli, she's lying when she says she does not know Pavarotti. But uPavarotti is the other name that umama kaKwaito does not even know. So manje seku dangerous ke bantase kuyashisa. Speaking of ukushisa, yo. So now this Umlisa Lo comes through to the house and said, listen, I'm looking for this guy. So he showed them a picture while I think uPavarotti and they could not recognize him. Bese uMaNtuli, you know what, please come back during the evening so that at least my kids will probably know. He goes to the school and asks for and then they said he must come back during lunch. So now on his going back to the house, kaMaNtuli, this guy went and asked for the guy in the picture. And when he was showing the guy in the picture, Begu Shongwe lawyer, it's just that he does not know him. He didn't know him like facing him. Wow, Shongwe wangene motweni. Nagia wabaleka. Washia wongumuntu with zero explanation as it is. We don't know where he is and what is happening or if he's safe. MaNtuli is a bit bothered. Yazini, I don't know if he's okay. The last time I checked, we were supposed to do a braai. Manje soyenza kanjani braai singazi ukuthi mngwana ukhashangolipio. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skeem Saam. Ndimadekwana sanbonani awushen molweni minjani. Ngipukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongono kwa hina wa Skeem Saam hi kumakoroshla thamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that there is a relationship that is brewing, but it looks like it's going to be doomed before it starts. All the teachers in the staff room, they need to know, they want to find out what is going on between Mener Maunwa Listoko. Now the problem is Toko does not want this relationship to go out, but Mener Maunwa says that we are old. I mean, there's nothing to hide. He just wants to live a free and better life. But then the problem becomes when she is dating Mener Maunwa. Now the deputy principal says you are sleeping with the enemy. Therefore, if you are sleeping with my enemy, you become my enemy. She even went and restarted her vision board, and then on her vision board she says destroy Stoko. I don't understand. Not so long ago it was dethrone Maunwa. Now it's destroy Stoko. What is going on? What the anger? Like she's got so much anger you don't even know. But this part, I am so happy and delighted that uShongwe indlela yakhe se ibancane, sekenesa. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload.